In today's video, we are going to explore Jim Rohn quotes about success and money. Let's get started. Success is nothing more than a few disciplines practiced every day. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Be fascinated instead of frustrated. Don't join an easy crowd. You won't grow. Go where the expectations and the demands to perform are high. Don't let your learning lead to knowledge. Let your learning lead to action. One discipline always leads to another discipline. Don't wish it was easy or wish you were better. Don't wish for less problems, wish for more skills. And don't wish for less challenge, wish for more wisdom. Don't spend all of your money a quarter at a time. Save up and buy something special, something fine, something of lasting value, or something that will give you rich memories for a lifetime. Remember, all that candy money can add up to a small fortune. Excuses are the nails used to build a house of failure. Failure is not a single, cataclysmic event. You don't fail overnight. Instead, failure is a few errors in judgment, repeated every day. Get around people who have something of value to share with you. Their impact will continue to have a significant effect on your life, long after they have departed. Give whatever you are doing and whoever you are with the gift of your attention. I remember saying to my mentor, if I had more money, I would have a better plan. He quickly responded, I would suggest that if you had a better plan, you would have more money. You see, it's not the amount that counts, it's the plan that counts. I used to blame everything outside of me for my lack of progress until I found that my problem was inside. If there is one critical ingredient for your successful quest for both wealth and happiness, it is discipline. If you are not willing to risk the unusual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. If you go to work on your goals will go to work on you. If you go to work on your plan will go to work on you. Whatever good things we build end up building us. If you really want to do something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. Money is usually attracted, not pursued. Never begrudge the money you spend on your own education. Poor people spend their money and save what's left, rich people save their money and spend what's left. Profits are better than wages. Wages make you a living, profits make you a fortune. Shortly after I met my mentor, he asked me, Mr. Rohn, how much money have you saved and invested over the last 6 years? And I said, none. He then asked, who sold you on that plan? Simply making consistent investments in our self-education and knowledge banks pays major dividends throughout our lives. Start from wherever you are and with whatever you've got. The problem with waiting until tomorrow is that when it finally arrives, it is called today. Success is doing ordinary things extraordinarily well. Success is neither magical nor mysterious. Success is the natural consequence of consistently applying the basic fundamentals. Success is not to be pursued, it is to be attracted by the person you become. Success is the continual unfolding of the design of your life and pulling it off. That's what success is. Success recipe: 2 cups faith, 2 cups love, 1 cup hard work, 1 cup persistence, 1 tablespoon vision, and a dash of swagger. Successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Successful people have libraries. The rest have big screen TVs. Take interest and even delight in doing the small things well. The few who do are the envy of the many who only watch. What works is the 4th philosophy, which I like to call the philosophy of performance and productivity. With this philosophy, you do what is necessary to improve yourself and your capabilities. You learn to do more and be more. The stronger the why, the easier the how becomes. The ultimate reason for setting goals is to entice you to become the person it takes to achieve them. The worst thing one can do is not to try, to be aware of what one wants and not give in to it, to spend years in silent hurt wondering if something could have materialized, never knowing. Time is more value than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. To solve any problem, here are 3 questions to ask yourself. First, what could I do? Second, what could I read? And third, who could I ask? We all know a variety of ways to make a living. What's even more fascinating is figuring out ways to make a fortune. We must all suffer one of 2 things: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. Wealth is not a matter of intelligence, it's a matter of inspiration. When you know what you want, and you want it bad enough, you will find a way to get it. Whether we are working to improve our health, wealth, personal achievement, or professional enterprise, the difference between triumphant success or bitter failure lies in the degree of our commitment to seek out, study, and apply those half-dozen things. You cannot make progress without making decisions. You cannot succeed by yourself. It's hard to find a rich hermit. You have to risk going too far to discover just how far you can really go. You must be careful not to let your current appetites steal away any chance we might have for a future feast. Your level of success will seldom exceed your level of personal development. Success is not to be pursued, it is to be attracted by the person you become. The only way it gets better for you is when you get better. Better is not something you wish, it's something you become. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.